You add so many screenshots, folders, and videos to your desktop, and it is filled with them, and you can't even put another thing to your desktop. Has that ever happened to you? If you want to minimize this and adjust the size to the correct amount, then stick out till the end to find out how I'm going to do that. So guys, it's really easy to do that. Just go to the home page of the MacBook you're using, and then go to more options, which in case you should press the two fingers, or else right click on your mouse, and then click on show view options. And then after, you can adjust anything you want, or maybe like customize it to whatever you want. So the first part is the icon size. Yeah, I doubled it to maybe 80 times 80. But anyway, if you want to minimize it, just minimize like this. So my normal one is 60. That's it. And then for the grid spacing, I recommend you adding the same amount as the icon size, 60-60, because then they match together and gives you more space. This is too small, so now I have to again do this, and then yeah, like that. So maybe 60-60. Yeah, let's adjust it for now. Let's do this. And then if you want to reduce the amount of the text, then just simply go to text size and then adjust it to maybe 12. It's the default one. And you can maybe add get all those folders to your right or your bottom, anywhere you want, but I recommend you using the default one, which is bottom. Or else you can just untick the place where you can show the icon preview. Like if it is screenshot or PDF, it must say PDF and screenshot instead of showing you what's inside. So just tick it and you see what's inside, and it's very easy. So yeah, that's how we do it. So if you have any issues, comment down below. See you in the next video.
She steady dripping Sailor on, she got the perfect face. Thumbing through the deck of 52 and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like that.